All right, let me quickly summarize the five cases. One is the one we just talked about, the fraud case in New York. The fraud part of it will be overturned. There's no doubt in my mind. So I'm counting that as a win. We have the document case where they raided his Mar-a-Lago home. That's been thrown out since he was elected president. That's gone. We have the sexual abuse case. That's with E. Jean Carroll. That is one of the biggest farces I've ever seen. 20 years later, comes in and complains that a truck attacked her when she walked into Bergdorf Gordon at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, introduced herself to him, and then goes into the fitting room with him and wonders why he tried to have sex with her. Obviously, she led him on. There's no doubt in my mind. She waited 20 years till he was running for president to bring it up. Then the felony cases, he was accused of 34 counts. 34 counts. It was actually one count that they split up into 34 accounting entries into their books, all for the same thing. It was the attorney for Trump who paid off Stormy Daniels, and he billed them, and they treated it as legal expense, which it really was. Their attorney billed them for it. And actually, that is a misdemeanor. It's done all the time. The courts are too busy to go after it. The prosecutors are too busy to go after anybody for that, except Trump. They went after him for it. And statute of limitations applied, but they twisted it to say he was trying to affect the presidential election. Therefore, the statute of limitations was gone. I think the court's going to see through that when he gets to the right appeals court. That's going to be thrown out. I guarantee you that. Then we have the Georgia case where made a phone call and asked them to find 11,000 votes. And they said, well, that was a crime. He was asked them to make up votes. He said, and I agree with him, that he was saying, make sure you didn't miss. Go looking and looking. Well, we only need 11,000 votes. So anyway, that's already out because the prosecutor was having an affair with her assistant prosecutor. It was just disgusting. And so she was thrown out, and they don't think anything's going to happen with it. 5 cases that we will win them all, or they will win them all. You'll see that these are all political deals, a witch hunt by the Biden administration.